What if I told you, one narrow sea route controls nearly 20% of the world's oil? And right now, Iran says it has full control over it. If this gets blocked, fuel prices, inflation, and global markets could explode. So, what do you think? Will this turn into a global crisis, or calm down? Iran has claimed full control over the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important trade routes. It warned that any enemy entering could be trapped in a deadly vortex. But here's the twist. Iran says civilian ships can still pass, under its control. This isn't just about war. This single route carries around 20% of global oil supply. If it gets disrupted, oil prices rise, fuel becomes expensive, inflation increases. In fact, oil prices have already jumped by 6 to 8% after tensions increased. This crisis didn't start today. It's part of a bigger conflict between Iran, the US, and allies. After military tensions and failed talks, US announced naval actions. Iran responded with warnings. Ships have already been attacked. In fact, traffic in the strait dropped massively due to safety fears. The Strait of Hormuz is just about 40 kilometers wide at its narrowest point, but it's one of the most strategic choke points in the world. Control this, and you influence global trade. Iran has geographical advantage here, which makes it extremely powerful in this region. If tensions increase, oil supply could drop, global recession risks increase, military conflict could escalate. But if diplomacy works, trade continues, prices stabilize, crisis avoided. Right now, the world is watching. So, what do you think? Will this turn into a global crisis, or calm down? Comment below, and subscribe for more videos that explain world events in simple terms.